In this video, we will focus only on the restricted user option. While this option won't be relevant for everyone, it may be useful for organizations with more businesses working on the same system. Restricted users, as the name suggests, only have restricted access across the system. They can only view and edit any spots and pages they have been specifically assigned to. Additionally, they can create their own pages with their own content.
Restricted users are by default turned off, so new systems will have the option disabled. However, you can always go to the settings and enable it at any point. On my system, the option has already been enabled previously. Once the option has been enabled, admins will now be able to give any existing or new user the role of a restricted user. As you can see, I already have a restricted user on this system, but will now go ahead and change the role of another one. This way, I will have a freshly made user without any assigned spots and pages, and one who already has some assigned. Let's take a look at the system from the perspective of the restricted user. A new, non-assigned restricted user will not be able to see any spots or pages, nor will he have statistics, settings, users, or markers on their menu list. The only things they will be able to see are spots, pages, media library, and their own profile. Aside from that, they will only be able to create new pages. So, let's go ahead and create one now. Whatever page they create will automatically also be assigned to them. Aside from the pages, the media library is open for viewing, editing, and uploading new files. However, no files can be deleted in order to prevent files uploaded and needed by other users to be falsely deleted. Their profile looks the same as for everyone else and can be edited normally. Let's look into the system view of the user with already some assigned spots and pages. As you can see, unlike the previous user, this one has some pages visible on their list, as well as some spots. They can normally open and edit any spots they are assigned to and can connect them to any of the pages they have either created or been assigned to as well. The same goes for the pages. Editing works same as for any other user. They can add new content blocks, change and edit the content of the old ones, move them around to fit the needs and save the changes whenever and however. Having seen the restricted user view, let's head back to the admin user and see how the assigning to spots and pages works. For this, let's take a look at the page that we have created as a restricted user just a minute ago. Down on the right side, you can now see an extra block. It has a user 3 assigned to it already, as this was the user who has created the page. We can also select and add further users to the list to assign the page to them as well. To remove a user, just click on the red remove icon next to their name and the user will disappear. The rights for certain spots and pages, as well as the role itself, can only be given and taken by administrator of the system and can be done at any point.
As you could see, this option is an advanced addition to the users and user management. In case you were thinking of using it, you have now seen both perspectives of it and seen the preview of it all.
Xamoom, joyful discoveries.